everyone. In this video we will talk about how to install Node and NPM on your Microsoft Windows 10. So first of all we will install the Node from the official website named node.org. As you open the website you will find two options to download. The first one is the LTS, which is recommended for most users, while the second one is the current version with the latest features. I will recommend you to download the LTS version. So click on that. It will download the required version of the Node for you. So here we downloaded the node.js with version 12.16.1. Now we will install it on our Windows. So simply click on the install. Then click next. This is the path where the node will be installed. If you want to keep it as it is, then click the next button. This is the list of features that will be installed, for example node.js runtime, NPM package manager, online documentation and adds to the path. So click next. If this is marked, then unmark it and click next. Now click install. This will install your Node environment on your Windows. Wait for it to successfully get installed. So that's all. If you want to check it, then simply click the window key plus R and type cmd and click run. Then type node in the command line and press the enter key. If you have successfully installed the node in your machine, then it will show you the version of your node. For checking the version of NPM, simply type npm-v. It will show you the version of your Node package manager. Let's write some JavaScript code here to check how it is working. So type var x is equal to 10, var y is equal to 20. var z equal x plus y, and then type z. So it will show you the addition of the above two numbers, which is 30. So that's all about today's lecture. For more informational content, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get instant updates on the go. Also tell me in the comments section, what should I share about in my next video? Thanks for watching it. If you like the video, then please like it and share it.